Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can log into cPanel through WHM, so let's get right into it. Now, I myself don't personally have cPanel or WHM, so I'm going to be using this documentation to show you guys, and because I don't have it, I'm also not versed in the fact if there is a button which will take you from WHM to cPanel directly. There might be, so don't hold me as the main authority on this. However, what you can do if you cannot find a button, you can use a URL which will take you from WHM to cPanel without any problems. Now, you can log into both cPanel and WHM from wherever on the internet. You just need this address, and you will then proceed to go to that site. And you just need your server's IP address or your server's domain address, which will look something like this, or of course something like this. And if you're on WHM, you will be on, for example, HTTPS colon double forward slash, and then you'll have your IP address of your server or your server domain address, and then you'll see a colon 2087. The 2087 is the port which is used to access WHM, and to log into cPanel, what you need to do is just change that port over to 2083. You can also log into the webmail by using port 2096. However, that is pretty much it. To log into any of these, you just need the adequate port, and as you can see, you just need to change it from 2087 to 2083, and you'll be able to access cPanel without any problems. And that is pretty much it. You might need a security token depending on your server and depending on your system. If you're using anything in regards to that, if you're a system admin, put in a security token. You will need it to access the cPanel. However, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.